Okay, here's a quick recap on euro dollar. We've been watching this, right? Been watching it for at least a week here, maybe a week and a half. We can see that it definitely came up pretty close to that resistance area, close enough for us to definitely go short as it did bounce off. Really kind of what we were predicting here, because we did see that crossover here of the stochastics. We saw it was definitely over the 80, so being very overbought at that point. We saw the market just kind of moving sideways. Remember, we talked about that, showing that it was losing a little bit of its steam, of its momentum, as it was coming up to that previous resistance here. And so we saw, look at that, it's coming right back down to that resistance area, back to that line here as we're looking at on that triangle. So previous resistance could possibly become support, maybe bounce off of that price area, but of course it may just drop through. If it does drop through, we may be looking at this fib line as a possible target. We drew a set of fibs from the low to the high, and look at this. We do have that 382 sitting right on this support area right here, pretty close to the round numbers, so we may be targeting that area. If it keeps going, you can just kind of look for that currency pair to keep dropping. We maybe want to use these fibs here, but again, this is going to be a currency pair that hopefully everybody got that trade that we were talking about throughout the week and shorted here below that resistance area. And now we're just going to kind of ride this out and just sort of maybe watch this currency pair and try to decide where it's going to go. But this was definitely a great trade, so hope everyone took advantage of that.